Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove password in Adobe Acrobat. So before we get started, this method will only work if you own the file or you have the permission to make changes or remove password of that file. And if that's the case, head over and start launching your Adobe Acrobat software or app. Then next is first open the file that is protected by password. Enter in the password and click on OK. Then once inside the file in your keyboard, just type in Ctrl plus D and this document properties window will then pop up. Just switch to security. And as you can see here, the security method is currently password security. All you have to do is switch to no security. You will be asked, are you sure you want to remove security? Press OK. And once again, confirm by clicking on OK. And just by that, we have now removed password for this file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!